Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. In this particular video, I will be showcasing you how to set multiple wallpapers on your lock screen of Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. Now the first thing which you need to do is to go on your lock screen, press and hold anywhere on the screen in an empty area, enter your password or use your fingerprint. And this will take you to this page where you can choose your lock screen wallpaper from. There, click on the wallpapers and then select gallery. Here, you can choose up to 15 photos to set as a lock screen wallpaper. Once you have made the selection, click on done. You can check the photos you have selected by tapping items. You can remove pictures by using this minus sign, and in order to add the new photos, tap on this plus sign. Next, you can add filters from here. There are a couple of options you can try. And once all the customization is over, tap on the done button. And that is it. In future, whenever you lock or unlock your device, you will see different wallpapers on the screen. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.